You can make these cute stickers at home. Let me show you how. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Make your own design by drawing it, or you can cheat a little bit and print out already made designs. To help you out a bit, I made you this cute monsters, so you can download it for free. Step 2. Take your favorite markers and color your sticker. Step 3. Take a packaging tape and tape it over your sticker. Cut out your sticker, but leave a bit of a white space as a border. Take a baking paper and tape it over with packaging tape. Place your sticker onto your baking paper and tape it again over. Final step is to cut out your sticker together with the baking paper, but be sure to leave a little space around the sticker so it can stick to the surface. Then peel off the baking paper and enjoy your homemade sticker. And that's how